In this video, we will talk about PIP. So what is PIP? Basically, PIP is a package manager that you can use to manage your Python modules. Okay, you can use PIP to manage the different modules that are already installed on your system, or you can also make use of PIP to install and uninstall packages. So the first thing is that you need to check if PIP is installed in your system or not. So here in the command line, you have to write PIP and then hyphen version. Okay, and then press enter. So you see it gives me the output PIP 20.3.3 that is stored at this path. Okay, that means I have the PIP version 20.3.3 already installed on my system for the version Python 3.9. Okay, so if you download Python from the official website, PIP comes already with it. Okay, so you got the option to install PIP along with it. And if you go with the default options in the installer, PIP get installed by default. If this command PIP hyphen version gives you some error, then you can download PIP from the internet and install it. Now let me show you how you can check the already installed modules in your system using PIP. So you have to use PIP then list. Okay, this is the command, and here you will get the list of all of the Python modules that you have already installed in your system. So you can see these are the modules that are already installed in my system. Now I'll show you how you can download and install modules. Okay, so to install a module, you first have to find the module that you want to install on your PC. Okay, so if you want to find a particular use case, you can go to Google and search for it. For example, I want to install a module named NumPy. This is the module, numpy.org is the official website of it. So NumPy is basically a Python library that can be used to perform operations on multi-dimensional arrays. Okay, I will not go into the depth of NumPy, but I will just show you how you can install it in your system using PIP. So here I have to search NumPy and then I have to type PIP. So this will show me the link of a website pypi.org. Okay, this is the website of PIP where you can find a lot of projects and Python modules. Okay, so here is the install command PIP install NumPy, and now I'll go back to Visual Studio Code. I'll just run this command PIP install NumPy. I run it. So it says requirement already satisfied because I already have the NumPy module installed in my system. But let me just uninstall it and install it again. Okay, so to uninstall a Python module, the command is PIP uninstall and then the name of the module NumPy. Okay, so I'll uninstall it. Yes, and now I'll install it again. Okay, PIP install NumPy. So it will download the required stuff from the internet and will install it. So it's installed now. So this way you can install any number of packages from the internet using PIP. So that's all about this video.